In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a Twitter cash cow account that makes you anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 every single month passively. So the way that you're going to be using to make money with this method is you're going to be offering CPA offers. And I already have a full video on how you can get those CPA offers very, very easily, which I'm going to point them out to you at the end of this video here. So when you finish watching this one, you can go ahead and check out the other one. And also, if you're subscribed to the channel, then you probably have this one. If you haven't already, go get your free landing page in a System.io video, because you're also going to be using that to build your email list. And I'm also going to point those two videos at the end of this one. So when you finish watching this one, you can go ahead and watch those two. So you're going to be making money from your CPA offers and from your email list. And also, breaking news, Elon Musk just bought Twitter and he is promising to add a lot of new features to Twitter. I wouldn't be surprised if he adds something like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts to Twitter, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be another opportunity for you to make money. Speaking of money, I opened a subscriber fund here for my subscribers, which I'm giving out $50 every single week just for being subscribed and signing up to the giveaway. So all you have to do to sign up to those giveaways is visit the text file in the pinned comment of this video, and there are two ways you can win $25, totaling $50. One giveaway you can enter just by entering, and the other giveaway you have to give me a video idea. If I end up testing your video idea and making a video about it, then you're going to win 25, and the other 25 you win just to enter the giveaway. So it's $50 total. It's going to happen every single week, and you have to be subscribed. If you're not subscribed, then you win. I'm going to give your money to somebody else. So if you want free money from me, go ahead and sign up for that. You can also just pause the video right now and scan the QR code on the screen, and you'll be redirected to the website. And if you like the sound of making free money online, go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now if you haven't already, because I post free videos every single week here with different money making methods that you can use to make money online. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? You're going to miss the future videos. Go ahead and subscribe right now, and let's continue. So step 2, after you have your System.io funnel and after you have your CPA offers, is to create a Twitter account if you don't already have one. If you don't have a Twitter account, all you have to do is go to twitter.com. Remember, all resources and links are going to be in the text file below, so don't worry. Go to twitter.com, and then you want to click here on the bottom, sign up, where my cursor is right on the bottom. Just click on it. Now you can either sign up with Google, with your Gmail, with Apple, or you can sign up with your phone or email, which is the option that you should use. Just click on that, type in your name, phone, or you can use your email instead. Type in your date of birth and click next, and then you want to set a password, and that is it. That's all you need. They might ask you to set up your Twitter profile, like adding a profile picture. You can just do that if you want. I highly recommend that you do, by the way. And once you log into your account, you should see something kind of like what you're seeing on my screen right now. Okay, this is the homepage of my Twitter account, and when you hit the homepage, you want to click here on profile on the left hand corner. Once you're in this part right here, you want to click edit profile, and you want to set all of these things. See, I have a bio. In your bio, if you watch my Instagram cash cow account, you have to do the same thing. Add what you do. So YouTube, 3 videos a week, an arrow down pointing down to my link. What link do I have here? I have offers. This is the same thing that you are going to do. You're going to add the link to your offers here on your bio, because this is where people are going to see it. Okay, when they click on your link tree or your bio, they're going to see all of the links that you have offering them. All right, this is how you're going to make money. So for you to have the best results, all you have to do is set a profile picture, a banner image, and your bio telling people what you do, and the link to your offers. If you don't know where you can get a banner image, it's very, very easy. All you have to do is go to canva.com. Again, links are in the text file below. All you have to do when you hit Canva is just type in logo if you want to create your profile picture, and then you can just choose between any of these. Let's say I want to choose this one, click on it, change the name. All right, let's say I like it. I just want to click share and download. And if you want to create your banner image as well using Canva, you can just click here on the top left corner, go home. Now you want to select banner. Now you can just choose between any of these banners and make some changes to them. Let's say I want this one. I could just click on the banner. I could change the information. It's pretty easy. As soon as you hover your mouse over the information, it's going to show you different things. And let's say I wanted to change this text. So I changed it to mysteries, giveaways, follow now to win a PS5. And you can remove this if you want. You don't have to add a website or a phone number. You can just click there, delete it. Very easy, as you can see. No worries. Everything that I'm teaching here, I teach in my Pro University course. In my course, I teach you how you can create a profitable YouTube business. I teach you how you can create a cash cow YouTube channel that generates money for you without you having even to make videos. Or even you could create a personal YouTube channel like mine here. I teach all the secrets and insider details. This amount that you're seeing on the screen right now is just one YouTube channel that generates me passive income every single month. Now, what you're seeing on the screen right now is my personal YouTube channel, how many subscribers I've got in the last 28 days. I was able to achieve more than 60,000 subscribers in 28 days. This is an insane amount of growth, and I teach every single thing step by step inside the course. I also teach how you can set up a affiliate marketing business that you can set up once and it generates cash for you while you sleep on autopilot. I teach you how you can build a profitable e-commerce business, and also how to grow your social media and how to become an influencer using TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Now, how much money do you think you need to be financially free? What would you do with an extra automated $10,000 to $15,000 every single month? Would you retire your family, travel the world, pay those student loans? Currently, this course is being launched one module every single week, and because of that, for the price of a night out meal of $49, you can start building your automated online business today. But if you really want to join, then hurry, because soon I'm going to be raising the price of the course, and for the people that have joined now while the course is still launching, I'm going to keep the price of $49 a month. So if you're interested in building an online business, don't hesitate, go join now, and I'll see you inside. Now, to perform this next step, we need to go back to Twitter. Once you're here in Twitter, what you want to do is you want to post your CPA offers as a post. So you're gonna go here in what's happening, and you want to make a post. Let's say I wanted to give away a PS5, and for this part you need to have your System.io funnel and your offers from your CPA offer website. To get CPA offers, you could either go to cpagrip.com, cpalead.com, or you could use the app tapmob.io. Like I mentioned, the links are all in the text file below for you to use. I have full videos on how you can use each one of them that I just mentioned, so I won't cover all of them in this video to not make it so long. If you want to see an in-depth step-by-step on how to use those apps to get those offers, just click the links on the text file below, or wait till the end of the video. I'm going to point out to those videos, but just watch this one for now. And just to pretend that I have an offer here right now, I'm going to use the link to my course. Okay, so prouniversity.philipreese.com, and I'm going to go back to Twitter and I'm going to make a post. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. So what I wrote here on my offer is, if you want to create a YouTube channel that makes you money while you sleep, check this out. So what you could do if you're using a CPA offer, this is what's going to happen. You're going to use here the link to your funnel, and a funnel is just a mini website where you're going to collect emails, and here you're going to write a condition, because on your funnel you're probably going to be giving away something. So let's say I have an offer for a PS5 and I'm giving away a PS5. What would I write here? Free PS5 giveaway. To sign up, just retweet this message and sign up below. Why do I ask them to retweet this? Because when they do that, they're going to share your tweet and more people are going to see it, thus making you more money. Each time they leave an email, they're going to make you more and more and more money. And from the websites that I'm teaching you to get your offers, you're probably going to get paid about $5 per email that signs up. And all you have to do is do this once a day. Now, the second method that I'm going to teach you requires you to do manual work, and I'm also going to show you a way that you can automate this process. But the way to automate this process requires a small investment. So you can choose which one you want to go for. If you want to do it automatically, you can just pay the fee. If you want to do it manually, you can just do it manually. Both of the ways that you do are going to make you money. So what you want to do here is you want to go to your homepage here on the left-hand corner, just click home, and you want to search for people, right? You want to search for people in Twitter. What you want to do is go to their profile, and when you hit someone's profile, what you have to do is follow them. When you follow them, you're going to be able to DM them. DM is just send them a message. So you're going to see that if I go into my followers here, I'm going to have the option to send them this little message here, message. And when you're here, all you have to do is do the same thing that you were doing before. Instead of posting it, you're going to send him a message. So if you want to win a free PS5, all you have to do is tweet this message and sign up using the link. That's what you're going to tell him. But of course, if you are trying to sell an offer that is not CPA, let's say you're affiliated to some kind of product like a course, and you wanted to sell a course. You go to ClickBank and you affiliate yourself to a course. What you're going to tell him is, if you want to do whatever the course tells it's going to do, click this link right here, and you're going to leave the link for him to check out the product. You can do this up to 1,000 times every single day. That's why I said it takes a little bit of manual work, and there's a way to automate this so it runs automatically without you having to do anything. Every time he clicks the product and you make a sale, you win a huge commission. Now let's say you want to turn this Twitter account into a cash cow account and you want to automate it, and you're comfortable making the initial investment that I told you about. You want to go to phantombuster.com. This is the website that you want to check out, and this website requires a investment. So you see here they have lots of plans. They have a trial one, which you can use for 2 hours. They have starter, pro, and team. These things, they go pretty fast. They act pretty fast. So you can use the starter plan. So if you want to pay monthly, the starter plan is $59, and you want to pay annually is $48. So right now I'm just going to show you how to set it up. So if you want to use it in the future, this is going to DM 1,000 people for you every single day without you having to lift a finger. So what you want to do is click start free trial. You want to sign up to Phantom Buster, 14-day free trial, no credit card required. Okay, so this is great. They don't require a credit card. You can try it out if you want. You can set up your account. You can use it for 2 hours. That's what your free trial is going to get you, just to try out the product. Okay, when you sign up, this is what you're going to see. Just click start now. That is just a tutorial showing you how to use the website. Since you're watching this video, you don't even need to see that. So once you're in the website, what you want to do is click on solutions, and you want to go to Twitter. So this website has bots for any social media. Not any, but for a lot of social medias. They have for Twitter, Instagram, Google Maps, LinkedIn, and I think they have even more. But when you're starting out this method, you're either going to have a following or you're not going to have a following. If you don't have a following, then you keep following people and they're going to follow you back. That's how you get to 1,000 followers. So once you have at least a few followers to start DMing, what you want to do is go back to your Twitter account. You want to go to your profile and you want to copy the link on top on the search bar. Just copy the link to your Twitter profile, go back to the Phantom website, and you want to click this Twitter follower collector. Use this Phantom. Now, once you're in this part, what you want to do is paste your link right here and click connect to Twitter. You have to be logged into Twitter like I am here. So just be logged in when you connect. All right, click connect to Twitter. Now you're just going to paste your link here once again and click on save. You're not going to change anything in this part right here. Just click save again. Click on save once more. Now you want to click on launch. What it's going to do is going to get the database of all the followers you have on Twitter. Just click on launch. Now, since I don't have a lot of followers in my Twitter, it finished up pretty quickly. And as you can see, it has 113 followers collected. So now it copied all of my followers. So what you want to do now is here, you want to scroll down on the page and you want to see this files, results. You want to copy the link, click here, copy the link. Make sure you save it somewhere so you don't lose it. All right, I just put it in a Google Doc. You can do the same. Now you want to go back to the bot, go here on solutions, Twitter, and you want to select this Twitter message sender. Click use this Phantom. Now you're going to paste that link that we copied. This one that I have in a Google Drive, right? You're going to paste it in here, connect to Twitter, and you want to save. So in here, you want to select my Phantoms and you want to place in again the Twitter follower collector CSV. You can just click on it and select that one. All right, now you want to click save and go to the next part. In here, it's going to show you that it's going to send 10 messages per launch. It's going to send thousands of messages a day, 1,000 messages every single day, but it's only going to send 10 messages at a time. And here in this box, you can specify what you want it to send. And you can just simply write the same message that I showed you before here in this box. So let's say I wrote the message here. I'm going to click save and go to the next part. Now in here, you want to select repeatedly and you want to select the frequency that you want the bot to send the messages. In here, you want to select 4 times per hour. So if you do the math on that, it sends 10 messages 4 times per hour. So that's 40 messages an hour. 40 times 24, which is 24 hours a day, it's 960 messages. It's almost what Twitter allows you to send in a day. So notifications, don't just leave it at none. Click save and then you can just click here launch and it's going to start sending the messages. Trust me, this way is a really good way to make money using Twitter. And it's automated. You just set it up once and it keeps doing it every single day, all day long for you. This is a way to make money while you sleep. If you guys want a good way to make money, this is it. So let me explain the ways that you're going to be using to make money today. First, you're going to be using CPA offers. Second, you can use affiliate offers, kind of like courses. Third, you're going to use your automated email list from the System.io video. Fourth, you're going to be making passive income. Bots, robots are going to be working for you. And 5, if you want free money, go sign up for Webull, get 12 fractional shares valued up to $30,600. No catch. Sign up, make a first deposit of any amount, could be $1, and they're going to give you 12 fractional shares valued up to $30,600. And once again, if you want to have prior access to these money-making methods, go ahead and join my Discord and mailing list because my videos take 7 days to get edited, and I always share these methods with the people in the Discord and the mailing list while the video is being edited. So if you want to get prior access, go ahead and sign up for that. Now I want to explain to you step by step again because I know this can get a little bit confusing what you have to do today. So number 1, grab your offers in either CPA Lead or CPA Grip or TapMob. Number 2, grab your funnel from the System.io video. Number 3, create your Twitter account. Number 4, start posting your offers every single day on Twitter. Number 5, start following a bunch of people on Twitter so they follow you back and you have a base of followers. Number 6, if you're using affiliate offers instead of CPA offers, use those to DM people. Number 7, automate that process using the bot if you can make the initial investment. If you can't, you can just send the messages manually. Next step, comment Twitter money in the comments so I know that you watched this video until the end. And the last step, sit back and relax and watch the money roll in. Now, if you want to go to the TapMob video to start getting your offers and the System.io funnel, click the thumbnail on the screen right now and you'll be redirected to my next video. I'll see you on that video. Work hard, play harder.